Good morning, student. Today we'll study the next part of surface chemistry, colloidal states of matter. As we know that Thomas Graham has told that he has taken the different substance and he made the solution of different substance. Then he start passing this substance through semi-permeable membrane. Then he observed that rate of diffusion of solution of different substance will be different when we pass through the semi-permeable membrane. So on the basis of this, we can say that there are two kind of substance. One is crystalloids, other is colloid. The crystalloids are small and the solution formed by crystalloids are called true solution, and they can diffuse very fast through the semi-permeable membrane. And these substances are NaCl, sugar, urea, you can say. Other side, colloids are the substances which are large. The solution formed by the colloidal are called colloidal solution, and they are larger as comparison to crystalloids, so their rate of diffusion is slow. The example is starch, gelatin, gum, glue. So, but some crystalloids behave as colloid in a different set of condition. So, for the crystalloids and colloids we are not very clear. So, it was all these things are told by the Thomas Graham. Now, depending upon the size of particle, we have dividing the different substance because we want the concrete parameter about the colloidal state of matter. So this is about colloidal states of matter. Now we divide the different solution into three types. One is true solution, other is colloidal solution, third is suspension. The true solution has a particle whose size is less than 10 raised to power minus 9 meter or 1 nanometer. So solution of smallest particle is called as true solution. Colloidal solution has a particle range 10 raised to power minus 9 to 10 raised to power minus 6 meter or 1 nanometer to 1000 nanometer. So solution of moderate particles is called colloidal solution. Suspension has size more than 10 raised to power minus 6 meter or 1000 nanometer. So solution of the particles bigger than true solution and colloidal solution are called suspension. Now what is colloidal? Colloidal state of matter is a state in which size of particles is such that 1 to 1000 nanometer that they can pass through filter paper but not through semi-permeable or animal or vegetable membrane. So this true solution, colloidal and suspension is homework for you. You have already studied in your lower class. Now what is true solution? You already know in your lower classes. True solution is made up of solute which is less, solvent which is more. Colloidal solution is made up of two parts, which is one is less, that is called dispersed phase, other is more, that is called dispersion medium. Now dispersed phase is the substance distributed in the dispersion medium in the form of colloidal particles. Their size should be in the colloidal range, and dispersion medium is the medium in which the dispersed phase is dissolved in the form of colloidal particle range is called as the dispersion medium, and these both combine to form colloidal dispersion, or you can say colloid. Now we are classified the colloids on the different bases. First is on the basis of physical states of dispersed phase and dispersion medium. First is you can see that we have 8 kind of colloids depending on the physical state of dispersed phase and dispersed medium. So we are giving the different names with example. So if dispersed phase is solid, dispersed medium is solid, then the name of colloid is solid sol. Example is gemstone. Dispersed phase is solid, dispersion medium is liquid, name of colloid is sol. Example paints, muddy water. Dispersed phase is solid, dispersion medium is gas, the name of colloid is aerosol. Example is smoke, dust. If dispersed phase is liquid, dispersion phase medium is solid, name of colloid is gel. Example is cheese. Liquid to liquid, emulsion. Example milk, hair cream. Liquid to gas, aerosol. Example cloud spray. Gas to solid form. Example is pumic stone. Gas to liquid form. Example is soft leather. Now if there is water as a dispersion medium, name of sol is aquasol. Alcohol, alkosol, benzene, benzosol, gases, aerosol. Now, based on nature of interaction between dispersed phase and dispersion medium, if this dispersed phase and dispersed medium, we can mix them and we can make a lyophilic sol directly by mixing dispersed phase and dispersion medium directly and easily. It is called lyophilic sol. And if they both are mixed indirectly by special methods only, then it is called lyophobic sol. Lyophilic sol is highly stable. Lyophobic sol is not stable. Lyophilic sol is highly hydrated and lyophobic is not much hydrated. Lyophilic is reversible. We can easily get back the dispersed medium and dispersed phase. Lyophobic sol is irreversible. Lyophobic sols are formed by organic substance like starch, gum, protein, and lyophobic sols are made by inorganic substance like metal sulfide, etc. So this was all about the different kind of colloidal state, their classification. Okay, so next we will discuss next time. Thank you.